In this video, I will be explaining about how to create images using ChatGPT. So let's dive into this method. The first thing is in the Google search bar, search for GPT. Once you will search for it, you will see the website of ChatGPT. In order to get access, just click on any of these. Now, once you will get access to the ChatGPT, make sure your account is signed in, because if it's not, then do it. In order you use it will ask to sign in with your account. Now, in order to create images in the GPT, you only need to write the accurate prompt. And with the help of that, GPT will create images for you. You can also see the ideas and concept provided by ChatGPT. If I click on it, below you can see create an image of a magazine cover of cute animals with headlines and text. So if I click on it, you can see now it start generating a picture. Generating picture takes time. You can see now it's saying processing your images. But lots of people are creating images right now. So this might take a bit time, and they will notify me when my file will be ready. So let's wait for a while until the processing will be completed. After waiting for a while, you can see that GPT created this picture. And if you look in my prompt here, I need to write the brief description according to my image, and then GPT will generate the image. This prompt was written in the GPT. I didn't write it by myself. In order to write your own prompt, click on this option. And here you have to briefly describe about your images, what type of images you want to create, now just for showing you. I will ask to GPT to create a girl picture in anime style. So let me write. After writing my prompt, I will click on this arrow, which is pointing on the top. Now it starts generating the picture. It's the same. Lots of people are creating, so it will take some time. So just have some patience and wait for the result. And here is a result. And it looked insane. As I said, if you want to generate images in the GPT, then you need to write a brief description about your images in the ChatGPT. And then GPT will create the exact image according to your prompt. Now, in order to download it, if I take my mouse on the picture, here is the option of download, click on it. And then it will be downloaded in your computer. And it was the way by which you can create images in the ChatGPT.